Versatile fabrication table ideal when cutting, grinding, or polishing. Serves as a work table in the horizontal position. The table fits through standard doorways for job site convenience. Durable nylon locking wheels for easy transport. With 4 adjustable leveling posts for stability. Removable center braces for convenience when working with sink hole cutouts. Tabletop lined with replaceable tongue-in-groove rubber padding strips to minimize damage to workpieces. Versatile fabrication table with connecting screws allowing the unit to be joined to other tables to create customized work configurations.